Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Katlego Shwayi, founder of the I Love Deep House merchandise. Growing up, I grew up in an environment where there was a lot of jazz music, and I fell in love with deep house music. That's where I got my passion to put it on a t-shirt and sell it. We manufacture t-shirts and hoodies, caps. Currently we're supplying a record label in Johannesburg, and we're hoping to supply more shops like your sports scenes, Ackermans. If you're interested in our product, you can contact us on 061 711 5642. Facebook, handler Deep House Activist. Instagram, Deep House Activist. YouTube, Deep House Activist. My name is Katlego Shwayi, and I'm a township entrepreneur.